Hello, my name is Simon and I have a dream. I want to sail to amazing places and show them to you. Underwater Antarctica. Antarctica is a cold and snowy place. Under the ice, there's a magical underwater world. The water is very cold, but many animals live there. Penguins swim fast and seals dive deep. Big whales eat small fish and krill. There are strange fish under the ice. Some fish glow in the dark, others have big teeth. Tiny sea creatures live in the cold water. They are food for bigger animals. Underwater Antarctica is quiet and beautiful. It is a special world that we must protect. Logiska gigantea, a worm from Antarctica. Logiska gigantea is a special worm that lives in the cold water around Antarctica. It is a part of a group of worms called polychaetes. This worm is amazing because it can live in very difficult conditions. What does it look like? A Logiska gigantea has a long, flat body. It can grow up to 20 centimeters. The worm has shiny bristles that glow in the light. These bristles help it move and keep it safe from other animals. Where does it live? This worm lives deep in the Southern Ocean, more than 1,000 meters underwater. The water is very cold and dark, and the pressure is very high. But the worm is strong and can live in these extreme conditions. What does it eat? Logiska gigantea eats dead plants and animals that fall to the bottom of the ocean. It helps clean the ocean floor and gives nutrients back to the water. Why is it important? Scientists study this worm because it lives in one of the hardest places on Earth. Learning about it can help us understand how animals survive in cold, dark and high-pressure environments. Logiska gigantea shows us how amazing life can be even in the toughest places. In the cold water of Antarctica, some plants and sponges live on the ocean floor. These creatures are special because they survive in very harsh conditions. On the sea floor, you can find tiny plants called algae. They grow near the light, usually in shallow waters under the ice. These algae are food for many small animals. Sponges are amazing animals that look like plants. They live on rock at the bottom of the ocean. Sponges filter water to get their food, like tiny particles and bacteria. Some sponges in Antarctica are very old and grow slowly because of the cold. These plants and sponges are important for life in Antarctica. They provide food and shelter for other animals in the underwater world. The Antarctic octopus is a special animal that lives in the icy water around Antarctica. It has unique features that help it survive in such a cold and harsh environment. Antarctic octopuses come in different sizes, but most are medium-sized. They have soft, flexible bodies and 8 strong arms covered with suckers. The arms help them catch food and move across the ocean floor. To survive in the freezing water, the Antarctic octopus has special blood. Its blood contains a lot of a substance called hemocyanin, which help in carry oxygen in very cold conditions. This makes it strong and able to live in temperatures that are close to freezing. Scientists study the Antarctic octopus to understand how animals adapt to extreme environments. Its unique body and blood might help scientists discover new ways to protect life in cold places. Explore the incredible sights of Academic Vernadsky Station, a place of science and discovery in Antarctica. From icy landscapes to the wonders of the Southern Ocean, this unique station offers a glimpse into life and the age of the world. Thank you for